Solovino, you getting still?
Say, hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Solovino.
Belle, say it, Belle. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Solovino. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
I love it when he does that.
Hi, baby.
Why doesn't the other one speak?
What you doing? Solovino. Hi, baby. What you doing?
What you doing?
Solovino.
Solovino, stop
baby.
messing!
Hi, baby. What you doing? Solovino. Say it, Belle, so that he will
you doing?
copy. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Nice!
Hi, baby.
Hey, can you get the green bird out?
Ma.
I want Solovino.
Yeah, pang compost
I don't
yan,
remember
ma.
the green bird. It's like Rosalinda or something. Okay.
Hi, baby.
I saw
Solovino.
Hi,
Hi, baby.
Grahe dumaan na.
Hi, baby.
Narado ko yung pinto.
What you doing?
Grahe dumaan.
Hi, baby.
Why does she keep picking on her?
Hi, baby. What you doing?
Now, Dad.
Hmm?
Sa ano yun,
Remember
maaraw?
my name? You should say it, at least half of it at least.
Say Isabel. Solovino. Hi, baby.
It's a phone.
Hi,
No,
baby.
you don't bite my phone.
Hi, baby. But you got him saying hi, baby earlier, right? You got the video.
I don't know.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Hey, not my phone. It's
Hi,
not something you
baby.
pick on
What you doing?
for the doggies.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Can you go on my head?
There you go. He said it. Hi, baby.
Ayaw
Hi,
ko sa
baby.
ikaw ma. Nasabi niyan.
Solovino. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What you doing? Solovino, say it. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Why?
There you
Oh,
go.
poke me?
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Can I get the chicken?
Ooh. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Yes,
Isabel.
what's up?
Isabel.
What's up?
Say her name. You used to say her name. Say Isabel.
I'm so scared that he might poke my
Isabel.
ear.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You missed Isabel?
No, he's going to find that. What are you doing, Belle?
What you doing, Bo? Say it. What are you doing, Bo? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Where's Mark?
Matt, leave it alone.
Mark. Mark. Where's Mark? Mark is not here.
I'm taking him away with
Say
me.
Isabel.
Ah, I want the burrito.
Hi, baby.
Stop licking me.